Welcome, family. It's your boy K Mack.
And it's me, Mrs. Mack.
And we are the Macks. It is here finally, Embarkation Day on the Lady Valiant from Virgin Voyages.
Yes.
We are so excited to take you on this journey with us from the port to check-in to boarding and of course our first impression of this gorgeous ship.
Yes.
So stay tuned. Let's get this Mack venture started.
The hotel arranged private transportation to Virgin Voyages Terminal V. My man picked us up in his 2025 Cadillac Escalade. When I say that thing is the truth, it ain't nothing but the truth. We passed some of the other cruise line terminals, MSC, Royal Caribbean, Carnival. There was one other MSC ship in port. I didn't get the name, and this was Thursday, May 29th, 2025. We pulled in the Terminal V, dropped our bags off with the porter. After we dropped our bags off with the porter, we went through check-in. Check-in was smooth as butter. I don't know what Virgin doing, but they got it right. There was no chaos, no commotion. Everything ran smooth. Big up to Virgin on their check-in process. We got our wearable, headed on up, and we went to the Virgin Voyages Lounge, which you see right here. Beautiful spot, nice and comfortable, big chairs, nice and roomy. As you can see, it's not overcrowded. We waited till our boarding time, which was 1:45, because we did the Splash of Romance package, which gives you priority boarding, but definitely nice atmosphere, relaxing, get you prepared for your cruise. From there, we headed to the gangway to get the party started. Let's go. When we got on board, we went straight to the room.
Our Sea Terrace, aka balcony.
This is where all the magic happens.
Bounce, bow, bow.
Oh, that's...
Come in, you got your closet. I guess it's it's the closet, little storage area. So we have our bags all ready. Got a couple of bins for storage. Whew. Got a bathroom. Tight white. Ain't the biggest bathroom, but we're gonna make it work. Let's see. All right, you got your rainfall. Shower head. See, I'm 6 foot, so got a little room. See, I can close it. Yeah. Almost feel like shower on the RV.
Ooh, we can't get in the bathroom together.
No.
Oh my God. I'm gonna have to get ready first.
Yep. Alright. We got a little nightstand here. Got our bed. Look like probably a 48, 50-inch TV, flat screen on the wall. Look like you got a little TV tray or dinner tray to eat on if you order room service.
You know what?
I think you can shift this over to make it a couch during the day if you want to. Got your chair. You got your desk with a little seat right here, trash can, more storage. There's the iPad, tablet. We have to figure out how to work that. Got your mini fridge.
It's empty.
Yeah.
No beverages.
Let's see. So let's see. You hit that button. Hold on. Hit the button. Maybe see if it do.
I heard something click. Oh.
That closed it. That ain't what we wanted. All right, we finally figured it out. All right, here we go. Woo. Got a couple of chairs, little table, the infamous Virgin hammock. This is our view right now. We still in port. So you know, after we got through with the room, we went straight to the galley to find us something to eat. As you can see, Virgin does it a little different. These things are individually packed. Also, there is no buffet. No buffet. Let me say it one more time for the people in the back that didn't hear me. No buffet. Like I said, these things are individually wrapped. You got other stations also have their items individually wrapped. Everything is made to order. They cook it and serve it up to you. Again, I can't stress it enough. No buffet. Virgin got it right with this one. They are on point. Alright, family. I'm up here at the Galley. Got a start off like got a burger and some fries. Burger and the fries on point, surprisingly. Fries are seasoned very well. Burger was nice and hot. Condiments right there at the table. They even got charging stations at the tables for you. So, not bad. Now, Ms. Mack, she tried the ramen. She ain't like it too much. I'm gonna give it a shot and see what it tastes like myself. Now she She working with a salad, so we'll see how that go. Okay, tried the ramen. Noodles was a little too tough for me. It wasn't bad. Wasn't bad overall, but like she said, it was flavorful, but
It's not for me.
noodles just a little too tough. Now my burger is on point, so I'm good right now. We'll catch you on the next one.
My name is Annabelle, the hostess, and we are your happenings cast. The ones to show you a good time and share some good vibes. Ooh, I see a couple of you have gotten a bit comfortable, and we love to see it. Now, in just a few moments, we will be making a toast to all you naughty, naughty sailors. So grab a glass of those tiny bubbles, soak in the view, and get to know your happenings cast. It's time for us to set sail!
We'll discuss the Sailaway party later.
Got us some blackberry mojitos. Let's see what they about.
I don't like them.
Cause she don't drink for real, that's why.
Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. I'ma keep it like that. Yeah, boy.
Okay, family. We just came back from the Magnet show. Hey, it was dope. It was real dope. All acapella, all singing, beatboxing. It was like that. We about to go get us something to eat here in the Pink Agave. We got an 8:45 reservation, so we're gonna hit you up when we get up here and get seated and let you know how it is. Taste it.
Tasty. Oh, you gonna put me on the spot? Okay. Those are good. Flavorful. Nice and soft. Some chorizo.
Alright, got these roasted potatoes. You good? Very good. Take some of this guacamole. Homemade guac.
Oh, it does have some flavor to it.
Pink Agave doing alright so far. Good. Baby say the corn good.
You don't even eat corn.
This corn is delicious. Got a little kick to it. Got a little Parmesan on top. Alright, Pink Agave, alright. Also got some shrimp.
my area.
Seared, sauce, a little smoky. Oh yeah, we're in there tonight. We definitely in there.
Gotta get a shout out to Kelly and Misty, who sat next to us at the Pink Agave. Those ladies were hilarious.
Here I am, as you can see.
Alright, me and Mrs. Mack just came back from.
Oh, I'm not here.
You good?
Yes, you are.
Me and Mrs. Mack just came back from Pink Agave. The food was delicious. Alright, night
happy.
one. As far as the food go, we starting off right.
All right.
We about to go back to this room, take a quick shower, put our jammies on for the PJ party. We catch y'all later.
Good evening.
Hey, what up, family? Alright, we done freshened up. Time to head out for this pajama party. We gon' cap off the night with this and then bring it on back in. We'll see you up there.
As you can see, I'm saying hi to Mr. Mack right now.
Y'all don't believe that.
Y'all, we had a ball at the pajama party. I lost footage, got towed up. It was crazy. But believe me, a good time was had by me and Mrs. Mack on day one of Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. Stay tuned for day 2. And remember, straight no chase. Peace.